Hey kids, back again. So, once we've got our uh, ship moving, we are going to make sure that it stays on the screen, which is what we've done. And then we're going to make other things move, which is the cannon. So, we've made a cannon because what's going to happen is our pioneers are going to try and bump into us and knock us into the sea. So we don't want them knocking us into the sea. What we want to be able to do is we want to go and send a cannon. So we can change this name into cannon. We want to send it from my pirate, and we want to make it go pretty quick towards the pioneers. And we want to go and add an effect. So how do we do this? We want to do this when we hit button A. So let's go into our controller. And we want when a button is pressed, which is the space bar. And then what we want to do is we want to go and get a projectile. So we just go into our sprites, into our sprite section here. And then we can go and set projectile to. We should have projectiles in here. Here we are. We've got projectiles in this column here. And then what we want to do is we want to set the projectile from my sprite at a certain speed. Okay. So let's go and grab that and drop that into here. And let's go and call projectile and rename it and call it my cannon like this. And it's not my sprite. You can see we've got the black triangle here. Go away, black triangle. We want it to go from my pirate, so it makes sense. And so we want our speed to be about, we want to make sure it's going in the right direction. So we'll see what happens in a moment. Okay, go and grab this. And then we go and get my assets. And we've got a cannon for us over here. Okay, like that. And you can see this is quite small. This is a 3x4. So let's go like this. So I should, if I go and test this, let's go and see if we are going to get the cannon to work. So we should, you can see that it's going in a diagonal direction. And that's not quite right. We want it to be going forwards out of this way. And we're going to change that in a second. So go and get those buttons together. Go and make sure that you don't have any black triangles and call it my cannon. And from my pirate, go and get that in. And then we'll show you how to go and change it in the right direction. Good luck.